Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the default apps on your phone, such as the browser, phone, and SMS apps. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Next, select Default Apps. Here, you'll see options like Browser app, Phone app, and SMS app. To change the default browser, tap on Browser app and choose the app you want to use. The same steps apply to changing your phone and SMS apps. Just tap on each option and select your preferred app. Once selected, your phone will automatically use these apps as the default for opening links, making calls, and sending messages. And that's it. You've successfully changed your default apps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick and easy tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.